Welcome to Cookson Industrial, where we deliver a full solution in the supply of precious metal for industrial applications. With over 100 years of experience in manufacturing, where our employees are highly skilled professionals in their respective fields. Sustainability, where we dedicate to using high-quality recycled precious metals. And innovation, using new technologies to remain ever-changing. We specialize in providing comprehensive precious metal solutions tailored to meet the diverse needs of modern industry. With years of expertise and a commitment to industry excellence, we're here to optimize your processes, enhance efficiency, and drive productivity to new heights. Whether you're a small-scale operation or a large-scale enterprise, we have the expertise and resources to propel your business forward. But our commitment doesn't just end with providing solutions. We believe in continuous innovation and strive to stay ahead of the curve, anticipating industry trends and evolving technologies to ensure that you always stay ahead of the competition. Where tradition meets transformation in all industries, including aerospace, electronic, medical and dental, and automotive. Our production capabilities range from additive manufacturing innovations, metal in a diverse range of thickness and size, in-house manufactured powder in silver, gold, platinum, and much, much more. Discover the future of precious metal solutions with Cookson Industrial, redefining precious metals for industry.